Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Soundcore Space One. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on and then click on it at the device list to connect them. Cool. But if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset. So press and hold power button to turn off your headphones. Here we go. And after that, press and hold again to turn on it. Now with reconnecting. So we did it. But if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add the headphones. So turn off your headphones. Here we go. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And then press and hold power button until this LED light it starts to be blue. Here we go. Now click on it at the device list. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!